Our next examples are going to involve doing the reverse process of what we were just working on in the previous videos. Instead of combining several logarithms into one larger one, what we're going to do now is decompose the expression into multiple logarithms. One of the rules is we want no products and no quotients, and we want to have no exponents. So essentially we're going to reverse the process that we were doing previously. Now you'll recall, previously the first thing we did was we took the coefficient in front of the logarithm and moved it up as the exponent. Since we're reversing the process, that's going to be the last piece of the puzzle we do here. So the first thing to do is to see that we have this product as the argument. We're going to use property number one, but use it in reverse. We're going to start with the logarithm of two things multiplied together and rewrite that as individual logs of each of the individual factors, maintaining the same base as you go. Well, we have natural logarithms, so we're going to maintain natural logarithm. So we can take this and break this into two individual natural logs, natural log of the first plus the natural log of b to the third. So we split these into two individual logarithms, and now we need to once again remove the exponent. So again, we were reversing the process we did before, and so what that means is we may move this 2 down as a coefficient. This is now 2 times natural log of a, plus this becomes 3 times natural log of b, and we have now decomposed this into individual logarithms. There are no products. That means to say there are no arguments being multiplied. There are no quotients. There are no divisions in any of these arguments, and there are no exponents in the arguments. So that's our final result. All this amounts to is practice using these rules and practice manipulating the logarithms, so that in later work, in later semesters, you feel much more at ease being able to apply these properties and manipulate the logarithms so that you find the pieces that you're going to need as you go into those courses. So we'll now consider a couple other examples of this procedure.